Hello, and welcome to Shane's Microscope. I'm Shane, and this is my microscope. Let's take a peek. In these samples from Ava, I've found a couple of nice Gastrotrichs. We haven't seen very many of these, so I don't remember if I've talked about the etymology of them much, but let's just go over it real quick. So, Gastrotrich comes from the Greek gaster, belly, and thrix, hair, so hairy belly. And this here is a specimen of Chaetonotus. That comes from the Greek chete for bristles and noto, back, so hairy back. And looking at it, you can see why it's called that. Now, what I really wanted to show you here was this Lepidodermella squamata. I don't know if this one was stuck on something, but it didn't seem to be struggling particularly hard or swimming around, so it was perfect for getting a good look at. And Lepidodermella comes from the Greek lepis for scale. You might recognize that if you know about butterflies and moths being Lepidoptera. They've got little scales all over their wings. And of course, derma for skin. And squamata comes from the Latin squama for scale. So it's the scaly-skinned scale. Here we definitely have some hairs, but the most prominent feature are those scales. So I thought this was really cool. Alright, well, I think we'll leave it there for the day. Thanks for having a look with me. Until next time, keep on peeking.